Today we're bringing the taste of the Caribbean right to your kitchen with my high-protein Jamaican jerk chicken. Served with a delicious and refreshing pineapple salsa, this recipe is a powerhouse of flavors and nutrients, perfect for those seeking to eat healthily without compromising on taste. Hey, I'm nutritionist Scott Bapty and welcome back to my Food for Fitness kitchen. Now, the magic of this recipe is probably down to the delicious flavors that come from the marinade. The jerk seasoning that I'm using for this mixture has some beautiful warming spices like nutmeg, cinnamon, there's thyme, there's garlic, there's ginger, and when you combine them, the result is just absolutely delicious. The unique blend of spices just elevates the humble chicken breast to next level chicken dinner. To complement the heat and the spice from the chicken, we're going to pair it with a beautiful, light, zingy and fresh pineapple salsa. This salsa is not only visually stunning, but it's also packed with lots of nutritional goodness. Fresh pineapple is a great source of vitamin C and manganese. That's manganese, not mayonnaise. And the peppers and the spring onions also give some extra nutrients and an added bit of crunch to the salsa as well. The chili that you can add to it gives it a nice little bit of spice, and the zingy lime just helps balance all the flavors beautifully. Sounds pretty good, right? Let's cook it. The first step is to make our delicious marinade. To a large bowl, you want to add a tablespoon of olive oil, the same of apple cider vinegar, the same of lemon juice and soy sauce, light or dark, just whatever you've got in the cupboard, and a teaspoon of thyme and 2 teaspoons of pre-made jerk seasoning. Then equal measures of garlic and ginger, and mix all of that through. Once everything is nicely combined, you're going to add your chicken thighs or chicken breasts or whatever cut of chicken that you're using to the marinade. Now, it's meant to be about 600 grams. Those with eagle eyes will notice that this is more than 600 grams. I actually messed up when I was filming and bunged in the whole pack of chicken rather than 600 grams. But if you keep to 600, you'll just get a nice, thicker, more concentrated marinade and it'll just be more flavoursome. At this point, please do hit that like button. It really helps me out and means you're more likely to see these videos. Right, pop that chicken in the fridge to marinade. And then let's get to work on our pineapple salsa. You're going to chop up 1 red pepper along with 1 spring onion. Then you're going to add a small handful of fresh coriander. If you're not a fan of coriander, you can skip this. You could use parsley instead. And then do the same with a half red chili. I'm only using a half because putting in a whole raw chili is a bit OTT for my liking. So a half is fine, along with the juice from 1 lime. Then in a bowl, add all of those veggie components. Here we go, make sure they don't end up on the table. Along with 300 grams of fresh pineapple, or from a tin or frozen. I'm actually using frozen. Along with that lime juice, and add some salt to taste, and then mix it all through. If you pop this in the fridge, it'll just allow the flavors to infuse a little bit and mix through and harmonize and just taste delicious. But you can see it's already looking bright, vibrant, and you know it's going to be good. Then if you have a barbecue, heat it up on high and just get those chicken thighs on it. If you don't have a barbecue, ideally use a griddle pan, or if you don't have a griddle pan, you could just use a frying pan or simply cook them under the grill. So cook those thighs for about 10 to 15 minutes until they've reached an internal temperature of 75 degrees. If you don't have one of these thermometers, get one. It is ideal for barbecue cooking. Then all you need to do is to plate up those chicken thighs. I'm serving it with rice, as you can see, and then add a few dollops of the pineapple salsa on the side. And if you've got some of the juice, you can pour some of that over the top as well. And also we're going to get some garnish on it. And for this, I'm going to use a little bit of the leftover coriander, along with giving it a further squeeze of lime juice. I mean, how good does that look? So there we have it, jerk chicken with pineapple salsa. I mean, they're just some recipes that you know what they're going to taste like, and you know you're going to be satisfied with them before you even get stuck in. I mean, it's certainly probably one of the most visually appealing recipes I've ever done on the channel, and I hope you enjoy it as much as you enjoy looking at it. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. As always, if you have not subscribed yet, please do click that subscribe button, because it just means that you'll be notified next time I post a high protein recipe. And leave a comment below and let me know how you found this recipe once you've made it. I'm off to go and eat it. I'll speak to you later.